Hello, today I will guide you on how to completely format a partition or hard disk drive using Command Prompt CMD in Windows 11. Step 1. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Click on the search icon on the taskbar. Type CMD and wait for Command Prompt to appear. Right-click it, select Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes to allow it. Step 2. Select and format or delete partition. Type Diskpart and press Enter to open the Diskpart utility. Then type list volume to list all current partitions. Note the volume number you want to modify, then select volume X, replace X with your volume number, e.g. select volume 4. To format, type You can replace NTFS with FAT32 and technology with any name. After it completes, you'll see a message indicating successful format. Optional to delete a disk completely. Type list disk to view all disks. Type select disk 1 or your target disk. Type clean. This removes all partitions on that disk and turns it into unallocated space. So that's how you safely delete or format a partition using CMD on Windows 11. This method is especially helpful when you want to clean up your hard drive or prepare it for a new OS installation. See you in the next video. Take care and good luck.